Geobase now comes with the ability to turn your dynamic vector tiles into static tiles that can be served using just a CDN or an object store on the internet without having to incur the cost of running a server, thus saving you money if your data is not dynamic. This is perfect when you're done with your project and just need to archive, or you need to create some data that is just a base layer from your Geobase tables. So let's take a look at how it works. I have tables coming from my tile server in my studio, and you can see that I can have a look at these data dynamically using my vector tiles. These are coming dynamically from the table and the data in the table. Now let's imagine I was not going to be updating this data. So in that case, I would be coming to my archive service and taking the tables that I don't intend to update and archive them using this archive service. This will run the archival process, and it'll take a few seconds and then provide us with the endpoints that are needed to have the tiles available. You can see the process here. Once ready, you will see the archives being updated here, and this one as well. And now finally this one. With that done, we archive all the tiles individually, but we also provide you with a merged archive via this one. Let's first look at the individual tiles. Click here and go to the PM tile viewer, and you can see the same data available that we were seeing in the dynamic tile server. This is not hitting the server, it's just hitting the CDN we provide, but you can also move it to your own stores. This is the merged version, and it's fast because it's serving static tiles without hitting the server. And you can see here the layer names have been created based on the table names and so on. So this means you can take these tiles and put them anywhere you want, even on a mobile device. Take them out in the field where you have no internet and you can still use them. This is extremely useful for applications that are out in the field, or potentially when you want to save some money after your project is done, or if you want to create new base tiles based on your existing data. I hope you enjoy that, and let us know what you think.